Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be explaining on how you can create a watch list on TradingView. Watchlist let you track multiple assets in real time, making it easier to monitor trends, opportunities, and alerts. So once you've logged into your account, you will just have to go to the watchlist panel, which is on the right corner of your screen. And once you click it, you will just have to click this drop down menu right here, and then you will just have to click create new list. And yeah, just wait for it to load. So if you would want to create your watch list, you do have to make sure first that you already have your plan or a free trial to actually avail this feature. So yeah, anyway, once you already have that feature, you will just have to click create new list, and then of course you will have to name your watch list. And then after that, you will just have to search for tickets, and then you will just have to click ads. So you can now basically add your stacks, crypto, and forex or indices and all that stuff. So yeah, you do have this these options right here, as you can see. So yeah, you do have to make sure first that you actually have the plan or the version that supports these features. So yeah, in order for you to organize your watch list, once you already have one, is you will just have to drag the symbols to reorder it. And so it should be like that, as you can see. Yeah. So yeah, you can also group by type or priority. It really depends on you. And you could also use alerts and notes by clicking on any symbol and by setting alerts, and then track the price movements and add notes if needed for trading strategy. So yeah, you could add note, you could add to compare, add to your watch list, add to. So yeah, there are a lot of features that you could actually do, or you could actually use once you already have the paid trial or the free trial. So yeah, that's basically just it. Again, you do have to make sure first that you've already upgraded your account so that you will be able to do this. Yeah, so anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.